Oh yeah, so you use the golf clubs as a hockey.
Parker, what are you doing? Are you golfing?
Two hands. Two hands, Parker. Two hands, Parker.
Let's do it again. Ready? Down here. Ready? One there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, come on.
Let's
do it 2 hands.
Out on the golf course.
Ready?
At age 4.
One here. One there. Put that hand on there. Ready?
Doesn't take much, does it?
Doesn't take much.
Where are you going, Parker?
There's one. There's one. Got that one?
Wow.
Come on, you gotta turn around here, buddy. Come on, like this. No, remember, like this. Hold it here. Okay, ready?
Hit it. Get it, little guy.
Hit it, Parker. Where are you going? Whoops. Come on, let's hit it again. Let's put it right here. Here, put it down. Ball down. Ready? 2 hands. Here,
Oh, it's in the rough this time.
hold on. Yep, we're gonna have to get it out of here. Ready? Ready, Parker? Wanna do it again? Okay, let's do it again. That's it. Put it down. Ready?
Is that come out with everything?
Like this? Here we go. Hold on. Okay. Ready?
Good boy, Parker.
Well, you know what you're gonna have to get him next.
I got some clubs.
Yeah, I was gonna say I got some clubs I can give him.
Parker. Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
The real ones are too big.
Yeah, put it up.
He's not ready for real ones yet. He would take that. That's what he does.
Hit it, Parker. Hit the ball. Come on.
Where are you going? Go hit it.
Come on. Where's the ball? Come on. Ready? Ready? Come on, Parker.
Watch Pop.
Come on. Come on, get it. You get it. Ready? That's it. Here, this way. Ready? Ready? 2 hands. Here we go. Woo! Go, go, go!
Good boy, Parker.
Oh.
The tennis player.
You gonna throw it? Throw? Yeah. Okay, you're gonna hit it? Parker? Come on.